guys, it's Vera from Rudy Visuals, and in today's video I just wanted to talk about my favorite time of the day to shoot photos. So I found that a lot of people, when they first start to get into photography or they don't really know about photography, tend to think that the sunny weather is the best time to shoot photos, which is actually the most difficult time. So when the sun is at its highest, it's very bright and it gives us really harsh shadows, especially on people's faces, even the environment. It doesn't look as flattering. So the harsh light can like really highlight imperfections because you get these really harsh shadows going down the face. So you get all this unwanted texture. And it's quite hard to also get your photos right because you'll have really dark spots in your images and some really overexposed ones. So it's just a really challenging time, and there are some ways you can get around it, but you are limited by what you can do. So as a portrait photographer, I prefer like cloudy weather, or my favorite time is sunset. So this kind of lighting is a lot more flattering on the model. It's also easier for them to pose because they don't have to squint. And in general, the light on the face is just a lot softer, so it doesn't accentuate any imperfections. So during sunset, the environment also looks a lot more appealing. You have these really nice hues, everything has this like golden glow, and you get these really nice shades of like orange and purples in the background. And in my opinion, it just looks really beautiful, and it creates this angelic like fairy tale vibe. So you can get a similar effect during sunrise, but you do have to get up early. So I prefer to shoot at sunset. So in the photography world, this is known as the golden hour. And there's also a blue hour, which is the hour after the sun is down, and we're gonna do a video about that next week. So last weekend we planned a photo shoot during the golden hour, and the location for it was Regent's Park in London. And big thanks to our model Elizaveta. She's a super talented violinist, and if you'd like to see more of her, we'll leave some links for you in the description below. So without further ado, roll the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Next time you have a photo shoot or you're doing a video, definitely try shooting at sunset or sunrise. You'll find that it's just a lot easier to work with that light, and it's a lot more flattering on people and objects. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it useful. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And don't forget to check out our Instagram and Facebook. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!